Hey YouTube, I am starting to plant my seeds and I have some plastic cups. Well, I'm continuing with my seed planting journey and I wanted to record everything that I do because so far it appears like I might actually be successful. And I'm going to show you that I have some sprouts. This is California Wonder Bell. It may need to stay in longer. These were done last week. So this is 7 days of sprouting. And you can see that the marigolds are sprouting. The poppies are really tiny, but I see green in there. So they're sprouting. California orange, Snapdragon Orange Wonder. I see green. They're sprouting. Chinese aster. I don't know what a sprout looks like on these, but I'm going to stick them in dirt now. Anyway, Cosmos. There's a weird something in there, but lots of sprouting. Chocolate flower. Not sure. Going in dirt anyway. Petunias are sprouting. Brandywine red. Some sprouts. Giant pepper monster bell. One big sprout. Celebrity hybrid tomato. There's a little, not much happening there. So we might leave them. Cape daisy. Doesn't look like much is happening there, but I think I'm going to put some of those seeds in the dirt and see if it makes a difference. Big rainbow tomato. Lots of sprouting. Early girl tomato. Not much going on there. Well, there's one little sprout on this one. Going in the dirt. Zinnias. And what I'm going to do off camera, there's one little sprout I see down there for sure. I'm going to mark the seed packets, which ones really worked and which ones didn't as well. And it may be that some of them take more than 7 days to sprout. This is zucchini. It's an old seed. So I'm going to stick it in dirt. And so those are what I am planting. And I am putting cup holes around the perimeter because I thought this was flat and I thought I could just use my Japanese hole punch and punch the center. But I want water to draw up from the container I'm going to sit these in. So I am punching holes in the flat part that I know will be touching the water. Now what I've done is punched a center hole as well. So I decided I did want a center hole. So now I'm gonna mark the cups with what I'm gonna put in. So I moved to my iPhone to film this because I've got them already on the rack where I keep them under the lights. And so far so good. There are some leaves like that one you can't see because the light gives off a pink cast. That one has some leaves. And so hopefully I'll be back next week and film whatever progress there is next week.